How to create your email confirmation page. Hello, this is Colin, and in the previous video I showed you how to get a lead magnet. So now we need to get the confirmation page ready. So the confirmation page is also your thank you page, or that is where after the person opted into your list, or opted in by adding their name and email on your squeeze page, they will be sent to the page where they can download their lead magnet, or in this case we've got a free ebook that we're going to give away. So this is another video in the playlist on YouTube on how to create the email list. So if I go back to where we stopped, or where we are, okay, this is in Aweber. We've created the list, our first list, and we've got our product link here. So that is this is going to be our thank you page. So after the person is opted in, they will land here, this will just remind them what they're getting. There's the book. They just click on download and they'll have the book for free. But we need to tell Aweber to send the people to this page on the internet to download the free ebook. So we go back to Aweber, and then as you can see, we've got no subscribers here yet, but we go to list options, list settings. And here you can see that's the list name we gave it, that's the description we gave it, our email that we're going to use, that's the address that's going to be at the bottom of each email we send them. Yes, okay, then that was the basic settings. Now the personalized settings, that's a company name, our website address, or our website. You can add an email signature here. So that will be Colin Brazendale. And then with your email, Colin at IMfunnel I've been using, or whatever signature you want to add there, your telephone number, and so on. And then, okay, just save settings. Okay, then we go to the confirmation page, which is very important. So this is the confirmation page. Like I said, we're going to not make it a double opt-in. In other words, they're not going to go to the email to click confirm, I want to be on the list. So we're going to switch it off here. This is the send confirmation message for Aweber's sign up form. So we can put that off. And the reason is most people forget to go to their emails. We're just going to send them directly to the thank you page or the download page. And then here at the bottom you can see success, the custom success page. So we're going to add that our thank you page is going to be the download page. So they will not get this email where it says response required, please confirm your request. They're going to go immediately to the thank you page. So just save the settings there. Okay, so that is then done. So in the next video I'm going to show you how to create your opt-in form, because that's going to be the next process, to create a sign-up form, and that sign-up form we're going to put on our lead capture page or squeeze page. So we're going to in the next video I'll show you how to do that. So that is how to create your email confirmation process in Aweber. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.